We're out here today measuring static pressure. Here in Las Vegas, a lot of homes have an extremely high static pressure. Static pressure is kind of like your blood pressure. All right, when you take the static pressure, you always want to have ports. Okay, they call this external static pressure. We got one on the return side here, and then one on the supply side over here. I'm going to remove these plugs. This is the home we've previously been to. We always install the service port plugs there. Go ahead and take one of your tubes here, put that in your return. You want to make sure that arrow is pointing in to the airflow itself. And we're going to go ahead and take our other probe, do the same thing here. Stick it in here, make sure airflow is pointing into it. We'll go ahead and turn on our manometer and make sure we zero that out, because we don't want any interference. We'll go ahead and put that there and that there. As you can see right here, the system is running at a 0.35 inch total external static pressure. If you've ever experienced early compressor failure, which means it failed before 10 years, there's a high chance that you probably had a static pressure issue. There's a saying that we have in the HVAC industry is compressors don't die, we murder them. You ever notice that your HVAC system is extremely noisy? That you have to turn up the volume on your TV when it kicks on? This can be due to a lot of different things. Sometimes it's, return air duct sizes being too small, dirty air filters, fan speeds not set correctly. These can all cause that concern. If you experience hot and cold spots in your home, this also can be an example of weak airflow. This is what happens when your system's under constant strain, trying to push air through ductwork that's not performing properly. If your home isn't comfortable, there's a reason. And static pressure is one of the biggest causes. DM us or give us a call at 702-840-5163 to schedule your appointment.